3-colored braided headband coming up. Hello crafters, welcome to Anju Risa's crafting room. My name is Risa, but you are free to call me Risa. In this video, I will show you how to make a braided headband with 3 colors, and we don't need any ribbons to close the raw ends here, which make this headband very comfortable. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First, let us prepare the fabric. Using 3 colors means we have to use 3 pieces of different fabric. If you want to make this braided headband with only 1 color, you can check out my previous videos right on the top side here. I am using jersey knit fabric and it's very stretchy and it's comfortable. The best thing about jersey knit fabric is it won't fray, so there's no need to worry about the raw edges, about hiding the raw edges. The size of this fabric is about 60 by 10 centimeters each. I will write the size in inches on the screen. And how I cut my fabric, you will have to check out my previous videos because I have explained how I cut my fabric, so I will have a nice long strip of fabric like this. Especially I am using jersey knit fabric here and it's quite tricky to cut a stretch fabric. Now, as you can see, stretch fabric will always curl toward one side. Let me get the white one, it's clearer, it's easier to see. So when we stretch the fabric, it will curl toward one side, and let's say that this is the front side and this is the back side. So with the back sides together, this is the back side, with the back sides together, we are going to sew a straight line to join the fabrics together. Sew this part, and then after we sew this part, we are going to attach another one. Remember that it's back side with the back side, so I will stretch the fabric a little to see which one is the back side. So with the back sides together, I will also sew this part to get a long strip of fabric. After we sew the fabric, we will get a long strip of fabric. And the reason that I asked you to sew the back sides together, so because the jersey knit fabric will curl toward one side, so it will curl naturally, so we can hide the sewing perfectly, just like this. So after this, we have to divide the fabric into a 3 line. Into 3 lines, just put the colors together, just like this. So you can see this is the sewing part and this is the sewing part. Next, let us get a tape. I will strongly suggest you to cut this tape using a regular scissors rather than your fabric scissors. Always use your fabric scissors only to cut fabric. So after we get this, we want to braid the fabric. So as you can see, this is the sewing. I will tape this to the table, to any table. Just put it here. Wait. Just glue it to the table, and you can start braiding. As you can see, we can hide the sewing. Just hide it like this. You can braid it as usual. How I braid the fabric is I will take the right side to the center. After this, take the left side to the center, and we will continue this until the end of the fabric. So left side to center, right side to center, left to center, right to center. Now I will move this so it's easier for you to see. Just put it here. Move this once again. Where should I glue this to make it easy for you to see? As you can see, see when we finish the ends here, just braid it as usual. So just braid it here, and I will use this one piece of fabric to put it inside the loop here. So we can just tie it, just pull it like this. We will get a long strip of braided fabric. Next, you can prepare your hairband. You can use any size for the hairband as long as it's not wider than your fabric, because our fabric will cover the headband later. So you can use the black headband, it's toothless or toothless white hairband, or even a headband with teeth. I will use this headband with teeth. After we choose our hairband, make sure that the braided here is at the same length to our hairband. It's perfect size. Now before we glue this to the hairband, I will show you how I finish this fabric. So I will get my needle and thread, and then I will tuck this inside. Let's just cut this a little because it's too long. I will tuck this inside and randomly sew the tails here using needle and thread. Now we are going to repeat this on the other ends. After we finish the end of the hairband, now it's time to attach the hairband to the fabric. Using a hot glue gun, of course, now I will attach the edge here and draw it like a repeated triangle. After we attach the fabric, now you can adjust the braid by loosening it a little. Just make it loose so it will be a little messy, but it's beautiful. Okay, that's it. Our beautiful 3-colored braided headband is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me below about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. And the reason that I asked you to sew the back sides together because apa?